The simple dog is one of the easiest animals to make. Inflate the balloon, leaving a good amount at the end, 7 or 8 inches. Start with the dog's nose. Then, make a very small dog leg twist for the ears. Next, make a neck. And then do a dog leg twist for the front legs. Next comes the dog's body. Long for a dachshund or short for a regular dog. Make another dog leg twist, the same size as the front legs, to make the back. For a poodle, you can make a poofball tail. Otherwise, for a regular dog, create a little butt for the dog. Hold onto that twist and then bite a small hole up at the end. Tie off the tail, getting the knot as close to the little butt bubble as you can. And now he has a tail that wags.